how to add logo to your Shopify store. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a logo to your Shopify store. So first go to your Shopify admin panel. After that on the left panel click on online store. Now on the middle right corner click on customize. Now go to the top left corner, click on setting gear icon and expand the logo section. Select image. Now you can upload a new logo or you can select your existing logo and then click on done, and there you go. After update the logo, go to the top right corner, click on save, and that's how you can add logo to your Shopify store. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.